Pani na ampom ye de.
Oba dia da ro ma me ho ba.
Me so chibdila ha de munya mo nko ana. COVID-19 say ye nipa ye nya de post dia. Obama munya mo odo ko trechra. Na ono ho fu are.
Sana tie nipa bia wo ho aye se otimi sisan wanim da ko bi. Efe pa.
Ye na o se hwe ne ka se efe. But ye hwe ne nye efe.
O de o sha o ka se efe kula me hu se enya de ye beautiful za. O sha me hu ni se time.
Adinta.
Se wunima de pansen me. O ti azie nti o ka che me se me top ye fa me ka che se nkoi.
Ajade me ka se fi bi nkoi.
Da bi se wa.
Na me ka se nye fanso e.
Anu na che se na ma hu se unim so na se kama. Se wo nta de pa. Wo ntiri me cho na se. Eh na o sha de pa dia. Na me do waka greatest gentlemen ne ho. But o ncha de pa. Wo so awu ya.
Me.
Na wonyi wawu.
Me onim shops abitade o.
E dey shops. Tade o shop a fine boy wa no tade o shop. Yes, jadi o checha o tade o one shop. I first shop na o go tade.
Me. Me mbo shops bincho.
Massa. What ade o shop bia use 13 air conditions da. Ya kwa
shop use 13 air condition there you go no na man say.
Ko isle go
is the go shop ben 30 air conditions.
Se unim ho o nkran ko ko.
There is some nya ho na me ko Bloomingdale's me mama kus ne unim ho.
O konkran ko kurase osu a ko ne dia agro ho twam those days kra. Ya bolu ho twam kra dey serve no ati osu ni. Sa o ti osu di nche. Na o he fa na unim.
O stress is off.
Ade bia me hye bia ye beauty me po designer ade nko a.
To designer be le che.
Egusuro ho hwesuro.
Na what got on what the question. Oni ma dey.
Se o hye word na a cho no. Japan kasa.
The Japanese designer show.
Na on hwe shades na. Na
say Japan dey o designer papa bia no shades papa bia ho.
Sa.
Na Japan for no nyina o say Gucci ne Ray-Ban ne mu nyina shop so.
Na mpacho unim Japan dey.
Is minimum ho. Aye. Men ko ho da de.
Ehun hia se me no be ho debate. Because obi a unko Tokyo da de. E de na che se me no nye debate.
And now some ko but unfortunately I'm say no match we.
What me at Japan?
Some have no Japanese visa ni.
The level of the movement no from Obedan we Japan Tokyo. Uniska untimi nchele. Na COVID ne say akoso pa Ghana ho so what? Eh no kwasem nti obi anya careful. Eh ade all reality. Yeah real. Ebe me ya wa udidi basabasa no fi ne ko ehwe ohun ye. Nya wo na wan ya. Ne so unka untimi nka se mo abra mfa me mefa. Da bi se me mo grade no mo doso.
Ye den.
Mo grade no mo part of persons no. Mo part of grade no. Mo doso pa.
Ye grade and I grade. Mo
grade no mo doso Ghana ha.
To pempe fu go me mas ba.
Me ku wa mo nima se mo ho kire mo no so Ghana ha. O bet ma ti be $200 ya ko didi wiada.
$200. Aye. $200 is thousands, almost a little over 1,000 Ghana. Ada aduane be ngwana me gudi.
Na wo hwe aduane dodo na wo de ahwe ne price ana. Mo wuzu de duru ba bia. Ya de duru ba bia mo kan ya na me nyin ni but se me ya je di ba o. Chese de afo na mo kom de ewo no a. Na se de o si tie na ko jira diza de ko iwu na u jana mfifure tiw na wi ehyew. Na u jina ho ana yi na twiram ne ba ko kan ho. Atwam o. Ade asu ni na twiram ne ba ko kan ho.
You say there na also.
O kwa e package. O kire aduane a wo pe. O ti ase.
To aduane be na kwa akudi. Aduane be na ya odi.
Me mom dey had me 30 R9. R9.
Asada house.
Enya asada house nkwa na me di no. Me 30 bean so golden bean.
Okay. Is it come as the golden bean ne nkwa asada house no didi.
Asada house first na me call say there. Ho dey na ma bolo ho so. Ya mi say class am say ho na nko akoda. Me da ba bi na kai twam na me te ka ni su anam tie me ya. Anypa there would die, so to be concentrating on your peace sleep.
No, say airport residential, and it's sleep gone. No, they be a plane, I'm through any.
Who's the plane in a man?
So,
Mess a form. A form no can and I'm not say ye did.
Na car did any plane, did they now?
Messi, I played your metaphor me, I didn't pen what we are saying, no. And to no crowd at the Bianca, see me die so can New York say, me will rooftop view, and when I'm packing a private jet.
Packing private jet to rooftop.
Sure. Now, who will be done now?
Okay.
Me see me rooftop. My bro sign up my rooftop can see yeah plane park.
Hey then.
Yeah parking planes so.
And never say.
Rooftop.
And never say. Plane park.
Me see plane park. Yeah, I bet my now me private park and go person I'm friend anything.
They say obi
and what the airport.
See. Your car park. And your hangar near there are planes you know very hangar and there what the plane shame
the plane shame and your park hangar the plane shame
and Astrodian was even saying
missing rooftop
plane park
on your parking planes
now plane park in helipad
difference they play
and
difference woman say we no BBC stro me who said they mean sin chira wo fa I say fine so dem bondi nkura wu ti fine anam de be chiro I say fine eno na pick plane no yeah helicopter no pick no de ne kosoro and we no so no e use double part engine plane no uni mu na me chira wo
na dey some na keka no
engineers e di dada nye de bia nya ha na oti uni ma de anso ne e chira wo anu so and then me say so I bought me hand figure was say you watch no and I say form of for the
Movado
omu company na good ada
Movado good away
agu Europe men ka say
good
aha de afre na bia aba na ho de agu
oboa
wa na ko hokoto
ai
enyo bi na de Sunday ho
da we me turn I think Jay-Z over. No, me turn Virginia.
I'm me question me de ba into ya. Uni Mino roller. Uni Pinisa Harvey. Uni Santasia play.
Aye.
Wow, uko handa na uko tasa si obi aye careful.
Ade.
Ye ne empanimfo adi nkomo. Ye be bubu ho nyina ye si estate houses among. True na make a chon into the straw ko handa wa play. Upload the come Adam Moko no.
Mo be budan.
Ye be budan egu ho nyina egu. Near the Wire village. Me yire nom ne me mba ne me yire abusuafo na ekotena ho. Ti be gu kwan so. Kwan me am fight egu so. Serious issue na make a chon no say unim. Ye de omu nyina ekọ bebu. Omo mo ti wo nyina emuvu o mako bebu ne da akon ye sisi estate houses o. Enti say unim na akọ han dan ho na akọ to asase ho de ayoka. Ye ne panimfo authorities ni nyina aka say wie. Ya back here me ayogu so aye di nkomo gidigidi ya panimfo ni mienu. Ghana last week but no mo see studio hasa. To mo ntimi ma ha.
Kadomba.
And come down bah but say hanisa.
I don't bomb but
according to the COVID. According to the COVID. Omo nko here we ase. Eti se me a. Ona nko nche dey here we ase sa. So we wonya part of public figure bia ye ni pa here wo.
Me nye public figure.
Ah say we nyame flower ye nko ya. Oh say ye nko nyamo komla. Soro kurum anu nya no anambebo.
Number 7 chese. Rollins say yenu kobi.
Me pass it through way for that place but I'm going to call the hometown there Mentman Kobe because
your invitation was brown.
What's your mom invitation?
I'm from
and you have one TV.
Uber TV.
Menam TV is almost 67 times. Now
what?
Oh man, and you go for buy on the net wheelchair anymore. Many first person on Jamie. Busa mampani dada akofo many first person o chia me anza no ko che obi ya
yango eyi ni hu
anya de upa akọ ne ko hwe so buy o chia hwan first
okay
who's the floor one ye de ne tena ni wheelchair ni
okay
anase wan hwe TV ni bi
me hwe kakra Salaway na such a say.
Salaway. They are not me busa me kaska.
No one not to anthem with Salaway.
Me say national anthem no one tia say. Ade bia ye oman no. Ejapade kese a ada Ghana nya independent no. Sada na ye national anthem na unim.
Ghana nya independent that way.
Nkrumah ji independent my 1957. That time nam papa ne was kapa won Nkrumah tam e wo Ghana ha.
Why are you watch?
My idea no obi a me Awurade na Nyankopon me wo plan benya yi na nam ye historian.
Na oye there.
Nam ye historian ye ka say wo na won tia say
oye historian.
Me ye historian.
Da bi me tia say.
Me say double SS no anko bi.
You could be there, but historians, I say.
Me say, now be a historian.
Now a history. As
you can say historian. On Tiazana, historian. I say, no any history.
Historian, I say, no.
I say no any history.
Okay. It's only a history of Prempe.
Kohone Kobusai. Koho.
Courses are now. You know how many courses?
Me courses. You never do so. You go. Na ma ben pa.
Okay. Take me.
Me pacho.
Now history.
Me di kan ye. Social studies. What I say? Me be here history me here business intellectual.
Oh, you business intellectual.
Aye.
Okay.
Say no na che say. Me here juma kesi na madi no.
Okay.
Anu achi me here dia ye bia me dia no ma nya odi ani bi.
Me so ye ding.
Oh, sa course we cry friends say. Course a man for tie.
Visual arts.
There be virtual ones. Me dey quiet. And the graphic design and na dem ko jina kwa wan ko boss sambo dey na me. Oh, wait. Oh.
Science.
Oh, me kon so je me kon waduane. Ah, dey be ho a me fa say me hu mema bi won so me nurse. O da dune ho a won ti ase. What you talking about say be ma wo ko school. We graduate. Ubusan so ko head there say me ko degree in nursing. Dey now.
Mo be man nurse.
Be ma dey the nurse ko nurse. Dey na how wa chest ko nurse. Nurse you pa Ghana ha da e mema adwuma.
We ase ba bi obi atimi.
Me nka se wi ase ba bi obi antimi nye. Abi before member mutimi ya nurse.
O tia broche bi e na.
Na me se bibini be ma ntimi nya nurse. Wo ko tena broche te se de ma tena broche ya. Abrofo adwene wo mitrimi dia wo betima ya nurse.
E chama mo abrofo adwene wo mitrimi.
Dabi wuntimi nya nurse ha. Ah, omo no ma no omo pu wo za ko ya nurse.
Prempe na house ben.
O se Prempe na mo house ben.
Na house.
Debi am catch on na on tiasia.
Me tis work house that.
Me pacho di omni say na me a day student. We go na papa Oscar.
They grandma house.
Ti asem na me catch on.
Okay, me
ah, unko Prempe da unso abe ah. Nya kas na ko e me na papa Oscar ntinu asi na papa ode nyame. Enti se me de da baby anem tontom ne ayi wo de me tontom kan ba ko paje sa fe ansa na me ho atome malaria bi ngura me moja mu da me nte se wo na adokro de wo mi se tietie se wo tia bi wo mu onya test ni ntia but enyi ne ho unse ntia na times uti
nyame ya maka de tiam ya
oh na se nyi wana ka chem se mba hada da bi nyi wana ka chem se nti wanya code
na code
malaria symptoms ni bi no any code utenya to so that means malaria patient ah my science aya intimasa no ma bi o mi
okay they now so to Ghana national anthem new year over to US anthem nti eno ne ye twen
US de no mesre wala eno de meto ama
ene ya
meto ama na emom de omni say me ye happy pa was said there Trump is humble pa Esbo pa veni imagine di pa why humble pa na ne dan a e wo New York City nyina se waje atum se nyon nko an America ni ene wo so obi nso osikase no na nse anu ohu no onye ni but ye bo one bi pa 22nd no hu says sempari mfo hu me sem tiasa no me bon le kulabu a US aban be Ghana ha sisi abebusa wo mo se eye den na mo rebu ye Me na me catch now.
Wo.
Me 100% American born
guy. Omunimo kra.
Omunimo. The president you see so. Omunimo. Me say ona dey see so.
America for the over dey see so.
Na me India ni.
We Ghana ni.
Me why Ghana ni?
We Ghana ni.
Me Ghana ni. Me just say me dual citizenship. They be am county. Dual citizen 50-50.
No, no, for 100%.
100% me be pa nya di Ghana hunting na me share that car say 100%. Eh political talk. So ni ma.
Your political talk.
Na unim na Ghana fo nka bi. Empani fo no mo ka bi no unima na. Anaza unti Ghana ha. Kakra na so akonya nim say twa.
Who say yam untimi ni akonya Ghana ha.
Ade.
Because you do the national of another country. Because we are dual citizen.
No matter Jimmy Range Rovers now so beto aba ma no. Who ti studio ha chochopo we ye say o ntimi ni Ghana ko.
Why na you?
Why? Na unima na Accra ho ano ye do almost 4 million na alcohol.
Range Rover.
Me na me ka cho Accra.
Na no back in.
Ah?
What is that? Ofu inye papa ya.
Masa me kuta competence form pa. O phone no kra me buze mu no. Ye se won sheda ni mu. Oh, that be send your own phone.
Hey, there. Sorry, go.
You say apply ho. Mr. Wow, quarter nine or quarter as you real was him.
Now you would have day. Oh yeah, day born.
Say
Friday, Monday, Tuesday.
Maybe a Thursday. In Yankopon, you want a Thursday.
Thursday, near Thursday.
A Thursday.
Now so Thursday.
And we are slimes.
Thursdays
near slimes. And a Thursday, you pure English, and you offer there.
Okay, Bobo days, Mammy had it.
Monday, Joada. Monday, Joada.
Okay.
Now, me can't now. Tuesday, Panada. Wednesday is Ukwada.
Okay.
Ukwada, some chini kamedi.
Aye, what?
Thursday,
Not Thursday, was a good
WW. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
No, me say got a Thursday, got a Thursday.
And I say I slangs.
Okay.
Friday.
Okay.
Some momo sano. Me hu kofi kura wa yeda. Saturday. I know the same name and Thursday near pe. Say Nyankopon ya woni ya wada ena yeyi ni kire memenda enti na friend Kwame no twedi ampon Kwame say unimu ho
twedi ampon Kwame Nyankopon wo unim da wo nyame
ya wonu ya wada
Yesu na aka na asema na nyame
o say o am say nkwa asole ho
because sorry na wo sorry ben e kire wo nyame
Nyankopon
ya wo ho na wo Nyankopon
na wo di asem na wo kan wonim Nyankopon ana
o ba na say na em say unsem no wonim na dia
busa Christophe ma passe Nyankopon woni hwan o mbe ka kire wo we are what is that ya wonya Ghana ni wonya
e wo dey ni da me
me see ya wo me Thursday yes
Thursday gwa ya dey yaw
enti na me ho ofe no yaw ni bia ho ofe yaw fo eni asim gire ena ska
yaw ni bia ho ofe
mi hu yaw ne ho tan da ene ne mfra ne yaw wo no ene bia din ne sesan na yaw ni bia na ne wonya fe yaw on study sa enkofo ni mi no yaw
ni ene yaw
yes me girlfriend bia so de ya girlfriend bia akua ne sa no no ne a charm no o mani e den dodo
Ghana for my dimbe na pekula dimbe no bidia
Ghana ni ba me da me pekula dia me chiri kula e ya dwoa ne akua
aden
and they all fall in love mama kula eni adin ni ani ble unti din ase on eni adin ni ani ble pa se din ni mienu eno mutim nso odin we ya be ma na wo sei ukofo bi na ho kire wa mo mfi da se me de me hu a ho kire da ntinya da me kwa ho hiahiam by say who say
ana mema no so edin be na
mema no kwakufuo no ni kofifuo no nye
ade yom so
se kwaku die gina ho ma kwaku bonsam ana woni kwaku bia ti mo den ana woni mana
sa believe
ai na kofifo no so ye
bad say
na bad as ya ni say
graboni
kola boni ni kobolo lie ni some petty things be a darkness darkness
then
na ya na chi no ni bluff
na we bluff na kan ji
that be we bluff na me kan na me tu say be tu a your friend be darkness
okay
enye dirty o darkness
okay darkness na
I say o ka darkness now go Switzerland I say dirty
hey
one ko order anipa un ko order un so ka asema darkness who go Switzerland I say dirty
okay yo yeah try
and then kwan ma ba ha mani aje kakra
adai
and then there is some work condition here the mpeni bia
abo ma ozo
bo me ma me so e favor me normal
agwa
na say we say untimi air condition work condition nya dia ye de bo
na e boy condition
ana make say utie e ma ye mu anwunu enti shosha wa wo she odin na be pie ha enti na ha no omuka se bebeblebe obi ho awu na wia na simu ama sebi mpledua wo fre hey you want it me basisi e me de me Bentley bi na eba ana me ma me girlfriend no oduru adam si ene on simi no nye small restaurant flat bi food bi mame
onyo de
restaurant flat food
as I just say
aduane awudi a yem nye kesi
okay you
say
and you have restaurant flat food
restaurant flat food
say the idea of work is there
and there's man bisa anim na ya na mudidi duane gale no ama gale na e mo no de si wo na tu o ti ase no bi ho nso a wa unim banku pa o de anchimole na gumama jaza won du hu hwe
Christians of banku pa
emwa udia be 8 years going no ubenya eye problem
banku
me na me kato unim banku mu me kasam chewa masa
banku
uko we ya science ana
ai
banku no banchimole na ewom no a typical big starch
banchimole ni tree ni brofo de say
banchimole blofo enye cassava yam na uni mana cassava ya de dabi cassava yam banchimole
okay cassava yam
banchimole
okay
enti enu no emwa banku no ba kokora senka banku no de enkomo de bulo ni nko ana ye de a nkaye na banchimole no so on the mecho say we say o pepper na o di nkruma aka ho mebo a
banku de ana kama
na o di nkruma sa aka ho
na banku de ana kama na Oliver me be say busao na ne can about canin school
any ne
say ebia o the first day on nyum bi toto it was a day or two now the day
is over. Yes, beautiful song.
Night is drawing nigh.
Yes.
Shadows of the
and I've been so near Sao Bakubi. Ye nananum suma bosum na yede na anu aya prabi sango na yede ye besumu Yehowa na hono that time o march yanso ya honum na dum presby no na school ni abrosan to the marching song no kwa abrosan say okra ba wi ase on tra abrosan so nsu ade da
ya tra bizula
awa hemfa cars na cars abrosan oh na dia asem na okay masa kumasi anglican audio abrosan bia ni wo ke pole nso abrosan ni ho
ke wala abrosan yo
ke pole adani bomba ku na nipa ni gumju beden what was there
can you was abrosan
lecture ba ku timi
Christian service abrosan yo
Christian service and dem who say ba ku bi situ
can you was abrosan yo
enu di abrosan na on the risky ma students na omo ntimi free throw ma from the ebia e ma ni ja omo anya throw no omo free ba
manager omo no
masa unim omo ho ba ku bo ye friend konti omu free hoba de bia say hono oba ni Ramon ne be hu no first o pienso ne be hu no first so that me cho no nti de bia omu free so oba wo am say on shedan ko ni wo ko ke no UST no now you part-time student ana da bi me shedam tiase because senkai ade a hon unya o ho pa da ya me ni say invest no ma wo mu kura ho
sao na obi wo mu
me hu mo fa me hu bi wa ma hu bi was school musa me was sharp eye with the ladies many hu mo fentem na say wo bi ni mu anyum ni de beblebe na ne o
brofonyum was a brofonyum ben okay
brofonyum arise and shine arise and shine me kai sa anyum ne pa bata che bat wetimato arise and shine them my girlfriend be crying
arise and shine then arise Ghana youth for your country you know
now nim say fe na arise and shine now class one go school ana
okay to no man answer that to him
arise for your youth for your country and now to the best with the shake up and now to the move with the over lengthen and off and day we are all destined with the now over. We are all destined with the down over. There's a normal in baby. Normal in baby. So, who go school? Until now come. Who go buy school? And as also go international.
We call modern international. We call Royal International.
We school Abu Bodi. Those days mission school or what?
Those days.
Mission school or what?
No more 2 years. Said the what's your saying? You just the
way you pay the Masano. Who Kobe?
Arise Ghana youth for your
country.
The nation demands your devotion.
Masa,
let's all unite to uphold it.
Oh, Masa. Oh no, and come on, who do? Yatonyo Maseni Yatonyo. Ushe buku mu kaim oba buku bi da anim ha me
kan buku na manim
hwefon so ready na say me yifon papa kire na me hwe so a wo betimi ma to nyom
okay now it's all over yapon
da bi se bibia ba wieye ana onim ye ka se over on ti ase ana
okay ana enu kwa nywa osaka arise
and shine me kai beblebe me tamana United Kingdom so Oxford na me kai nyum bi
na mo to nyum bo Oxford
o say
enu bi na mo to nyum bo Oxford
I said na me hall na me wono
na hall be now hall be now
na me dangerous marvelous business hall me pa cha onko school hall dan ti men ka say opa yam flow bi a wat na UK da na busa no ya hall no ba ni ho
everything
marvelous, dangerous, dynamic, decent hall business. Say, the American no on Tiasiana, and as was medding. Oh, be any din, I had the Wahano, a bit the cat. Yakas the cat, and no crack. I had the Wahano, Yakas the cat, and no crack.
The cat near short form for Katanga. Yeah, younger say University Hall.
Means your full name or we my cutting a short no.
Any marvelous dynamic
decent hall in business.
Now someone number na
and you man here to know as me fight ya na me kai ba ku bi. Unim shake up to. Shake up. The richest ladies come. This is the investee. And you man, yeah, boss and some more, yeah. Share. The other now, yeah, Zano. Oh, me, I'm catching all your home. You might, yes, I don't know. Shake up. Excuse me to say, me, oh, yeah, do good, Nasami.
Minya code be over so.
Masa, oh, yeah, do good, as I mean.
Air conditioner board.
And air conditioner bomb me.
Oxford, Alice House, the Muse, Westway Square. Okay, man say Andy you be mama.
Oh, massa. Andy now uncle school or hodano. Wa mo bi ti baby. Akọ pe website bi ayi achira amwaje di. Uko kejeti o mbebu papa. Mo ne ya ne de sem na dane fun ma mo no. Enti ko ofi
Jamaican anthem no ne sorry.
Minister Alampa Chosha atade e hye mi. Pa Chosha ni mu yi.
The Joseph Thierry project.
Mr. Odi omni say nanom ba have kan asem bi. Na no kwasem e wom ni say papa no ene me ye kan ya dwene bo mu no. Ye say Ofoli Krom constituency ne ye ade na ma om mpa.
Where Krom there?
Ofoli Krom constituency. Ofoli Krom constituency. Now they want table of one.
You go for the purpose for any matter.
Master, I want to am call
constituency.
Me say am kan me say constituency.
Constituency, any constituency. Difference be
the difference be any.
Eh, I go.
Baako ye English.
And baako ye.
Na baako ye American science.
Okay.
The omni say Joseph Thierry. Why massive project bia Kofi ehu pa. Obi dan so apa as a individual e wa anwoma so. Wa bodan so 50. Na asem na no mbegina ha kan no se wa wo Ofoli Krom constituency biala ya uti dibu awo. So abente se me. Obehwe Obehwe from A to Z. Na de atosu mienu ye moto no so ahun se ne gu ase no. We ye symbol. Ye symbol ni and ye wo moto. Eh South Africa for kasa
Ubuntu.
Asiache say I dare for you.
Huh?
Asiache say South Africa for kasa. Yes, Asiache say I dare for you.
I dare for you.
Yes.
I dare for you.
Now one table of honor.
I am there for you.
Me say I dare for you. Sani atro, sani adi amame.
No, who's the I am because of the honor.
I am because of you. So sorry.
I'm quite bon.
Me more the American ni we no difference. Masa, wona uni ngoma. Ade bi wo ho a we nka me tro exams hall. And I say me tro exams a. Nti e be mark me because obeti de empese me kire na anse. The only say opanino oso da ho gina de ogina. Ompehwe on the opa ne say akola ne ti dibu ano. Na no ma wo ye no anwoma so adwase kotei deduako ene mna no. Joseph Thierry is a superhuman. Oye different. Cry o nipam. O se kakra bi na watena brochira. Na unim se sia no ba bia ho. Oh Toronto sisi e.
Toronto.
Eye Toronto. Enye Torino yansa.
Enye Torino ede.
Yansa. Ah nanim. Eno mo fla de Benghazi no. Yeah, no.
Because it's Toronto.
Me yankani Torino, Torino. The capital town of Canadian. Of Canadian.
Toronto.
And when I say o suane ngoma o ye PhD. No wasi bi bia e be si bia no mpanimfo amfre no. Sa kola ni ti bua no kwana na results ne ba dia. Yem fan sending no be hu kwan a o de nkwala ne.
Now, court case here koso Supreme Court. Ya monitor bi.
Me monitor but me in terms of law no me girlfriend be na say o church me kakra but wa mama hu bibi say who are you to judge adai na o gina nchen opeso ye otemu afo ana say obu ate de omni say mla no ebe ko de da pepepepe but enipa nhwia no ka say ye
okay
Ghana 43 what trotrom so na no che say watch seconds na no cha woni ndwe nzo te trotro nim na asem no nko efa se ya masa wo trotro na otim ni so mu ni aduduru nkra wa ho na abehu ya mu de so emu a America fo be fle aka se yam fie mla ho ni emedi asem ntimi de me wa kwanya se me ka bie we o chire me amenya 100% Ghana citizen
when you contempt
me ko school me sua ho ade ba as I say ye di asem wo court na on shedam tiase na umom ukoye ho judge akobu asem no abonten anaso aka ensem bia enim ede afa my lord for no what I say say me say ka nye business ye be shia me kwama senka is a blanca me American Supreme Court
Opedi o.
Me pedi o se nka me nyaje. Na de na asem hwe. Nka me pedi o. Enti
okay, American anthem.
Me pacho mamen kama do fo ase yanka ya asem ne pampo kunzu ni made awaye CID what ade CID aye ehu pa ofi CID di kan koma man panimfo ye be dibro nya ne man panimfo akunafo nwisia ni nyanka okoma omu nyina mo ne ndadunwa ne ade omo mu didi pa
CID ade CID num de
ana ye dibro nya wie ya nkwala yi nanado akufo ado adawlo ma panin e ma kwan se nkwala ni go school no awurade na nyankopon. What are you talking about textbooks? Ha! Textbooks are no akola bia o package o biscuit shem o drink shem
textbook
textbooks enye book ba ko pen wo de ko books
textbooks
duru ba bia so monga close
textbook textbook
ejina ho ma ba ko pe textbook
then a friend textbook
I wish am reading no some said dey friend bia yam fan say bibiti say English textbook, math textbook, mathematical textbook. What you say? Enti wa chairman kwala ni nyina du bia man ani agro sun.
Okay, no.
Ye nyina yate.
Ana yan chairman age so chairman age. Na Chelsea unzo ma pamam coach no.
Ba me patch of frame kra Frank James Lampard.
Ofrem me. Adam for no.
Make a auntie obi ono ye coach e be den na ma adamfo but I'm the football fan enti me huna no obobo ni nyina me ko stadium na mani gine ho pa se na me tako ko East London ko hwe mo matches ti ni mani gine me chaze East London
that's a chance in East London
na mpacho omo nko bo match ho
there was East London na go match
me si me ko hwe match me nka so mo East London no nko bo what times
omo wanna go ball
now nim se ho na West Ham wana unimana na unko abroche da so yo ho te said e unim bibi
they say Chelsea new coach your friend say
omu new coach o mafani akwa no mfa no say Tony McGregor said then bibi sa no mo fa no me da so e German ni fa no bibi sa sa no mo fa Tony McGregor said then sa no mo fa no and I mean, she said, me now research, but me kind be say the friend Tony McGregor be sir.
Tony McGregor, all the Chelsea new coach.
Na you know na yawa.
The name is Tony McGregor. Okay.
Na Tony McGregor and Thomas Tuchel, yenye the same name.
Yenye the same name.
Dabi spellings no Thomas and Tony. Ese kakra. Enti se me kasa
smell Thomas
Mas Thomas me say T bedika
okay
ana Thomas ana said Thomas man for me dictionary na ma America there
Thomas
to side you
okay that's valid
Thomas
T
me say TOWNNH
Thomas
me check say NNH but man fa me Oxford dictionary now but the best singular
yeah go but we don't know
CID
but one to American
me patcho me
and yeah me pon what
kwampoku CID adwuma adu bia man ne manso man ne ho mfa so aye di no na onim ne first aid no
David
the first aid need you nice beautiful superwoman be that crowd no first on covid was a buade papa why
the same
wo udi pad wo hwimble enti
hwimble
o say so hwimhwima de enti de wo me say say na nya amokom nya mo ga na ma no afi de o say flower tea ye di an akobo ho by America wasa jafa enya fi we Ghana ni fa enti kwampoku si ade de wo bo adwuma pa
okay our time is
that you say champion chairman Mr. and them better man Mundia. Dangerous Kwame Kama.
Yes.
And Superhuman W. And then Congo and then Alaska. The simple significant. Omi a disastrous. Omi now for the Kroma. Omote parliament.
Okay. America for the
okay. Mame acapella bina me mfamo montentem.
Me more lead no.
Mami lead no na me mfamo.
Oh sing you sing.
Ni Yesu ni mo. Na se me kasa mama capella yesi me ya capella. Din kwana o ka just wa who just am
me American Mr. O na so ya American.
Na me pa cho nya American bi anso na nim national anthem too.
So citizenship right there, you have to learn the American anthem.
I say I'm forget because I'm doing that thing with the long time ago.
The bro for Zunye.
Me bro for a long time as I say.
Ache.
Ago as I say.
A good evening kai.
I say so bon. Now you we can say man acapella na den.
The same man lead.
I lead me say mama acapella.
Acapella they overturn the acapella without instruments.
Me to acapella.
The rest acapella as I just say.
Acapella say ebia obi abonum bi what I say na ebia nko aba studio ha o interview no so that me now say oh unum we me the passive bit say sikadam na ebo na mam we abre on say me ebi na ye me sikadam abo me
so niska sikadam abo mo nika pre
dabi sikadam na ebo na ma we ni abre say me man say man ba e ba na ehu onti say kroma say manage ho no Kofi, a man is a passes no.
Okay, one to me and to American anthem now. I was say marching song, we go school no. And you be near the march.
I write Senchana na.
They were rising sign this one to me and to.
Oh, and I'm 2 years.
So back we
now the day is over.
We are marching
to our classes. We are marching to our classes and no more. To return and no more or to return and one no simple way a cappella.
Okay,
just them go school no. And na guy be chibot. O chibot. Your friend no.
Na that boat na nu obi ana.
And they me touch.
So I say so far to be say na check.
Dawood mattress no. Dawood mattress.
Huh?
Dawood. And the Kia Picanto no.
What's the name no?
But Dawood mattress.
Dawood.
Me just said Dawood mattress.
Dawood now can I say Dawood?
It's the same question here. Can Uko Korea the same? I Dawood mattress.
Then mattress.
Mattress you won't die. You open say I don't get touch it.
What's it the mattress?
Dawood mattress.
Mattress that's
and your mattress and that's one sem na make Kofi Bata come no ma be me no bi mesra wala
I have chop ye me na so ye
mesra wa wu to afri wo dem bia afri na de ko enam covered ninti ade bi te say o mattress a oda so o fra screen about that ho o set of stuffing chests jano ho enipa atena mu doso nipa aso TV ne doso nipa down pa ne so doso udi agura nsa be ka covid according to World Health Organization.
Okay.
Nti jano if you run pa onfa. The obetna da anim so pa onfa.
Don't do your government.
Ah? So on there on no so ope. On pa obeyi ni nyina firi hodi normal ba. And as say kran so kroma na dan a o ko han a ne asa say fa normal gum no e twam. Oba de nyame ni nhia so a o ko afa bag bo achi. Te say de o ko da hotel no. $4,000 in 1 year.
Okay. Our
host is saying I'm no say $4,000 in 1 year.
Okay. All right.
And now Kofi aka cash mine, Mr. O. Unim cash mine. Kofi
minimum.
Or Wasafo. We are one of the biggest lotto agent.
Oh, okay.
Ni din pa de kwabrampia, but ni din as say kutano ya cash man.
Cash man, okay.
Oni nem kwala mu nyina ono mo ya.
And yan chair two festivals on your wish to come.
Hey. Me pesa obo nyumba ku bi ma no asema ato no no anti se oyala ko da hospital o Kofi adam ko ya nipa nyo Kofi say fi na ko mi mom de mi nsuro yale bi government agale u nu mu nsu aye careful hwe kan go for the poison na manako except Dr. Boati in Atasmanso they save you life oh and they say there ne ho ye but answer na obeko no me pesa obo nwum ba ko bi di ma no ene enwum ne de
DJ Bishop ba me na ba ma no
wa force bo na say DJ yin unim mu ho
some me a presenter I'm not a DJ
na wo ye presenter unye DJ
David
wadamfo ba ko no wasua ni nyina abom we chese wo ko school no adwen of form
wadamfo de
enye kwa me dinkra wasua ni nyina abom
so ona je ho
me na me kire ni DJ nim oh na me say me ko school na
DJ the full name you say
what say
DJ the full there
the full name ya nyum obi obo nyum
DJ
I nam si DJ no nyo obi obo nyum
brofo say be D stand for BB J stand
ha Ghana na ye won me kire twim
David de twi
master twi na me kire apawa bofo bonyum ne enko
London e fro kunja ana